As you know by the title and the thumbnail, we are getting into some hair things today. So if you want to see me transform from my natural state to what you see here, stay tuned for today's video.
Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love, still love.
Y'all see this? Do y'all see my hair? Like, so let me just give y'all the full effect, okay? Hold on 1 second. You guys. My hair is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. 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 And just to let you girls know, I also filmed today's makeup look, and that video will be out in a few days. In a few days. Give me some time. Give me some time. You know, your girl wears many hats. So don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post. Leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Share to all of your YouTube girlies, or the girlies that, you know, not really YouTube girlies, but should be YouTube girlies. You know how that go. But yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video, and I'll catch you next time.